Listen, if you've ever been personally victimized by black eyeshadow powder when trying to do a smoky wing, then keep watching. So I take the 24/7 eye pencil in 0 and I just make a wing out of it. This is pretty basic stuff. Just make a wing. It can be sloppy. Mine's pretty sloppy, which is fine. And then you take the eyeshadow primer potion and you take that little smudger brush and you just smudge it around. It smudges super easy with this, which is great. Just blends out all nice and creamy. And then I just blacken it up and then make it sharp with a little brush. And then that's it. And then I just put on everything else. And it's just so quick and easy. And it stays on so well. And you don't have to mess with black eyeshadow powder and get it all over your face. So, yay!
Eyeliner. That gives you a instant eye lift. Make a straight line, following end of brow. Create a dot where your crease is. Connect the dot just before the edge of line. Drag line down to lash line. Only line from the middle of your pupil. Fill in the gap. Apply shadow inside the inner corner and drag down. The difference, wow.
Tell all of your friends that I'm crazy and drive you mad, that I'm such a stalker, a watcher.
If you're a beginner and want to know how to get eyeliner like this, keep watching. Run tape along the edge of your eye and drag a line up against it. Then connect the second line halfway into your lash line. Go ahead and fill it in. Then you're going to go ahead and keep filling that lash line, but you're going to keep dragging that line out past your inner corner. From there, you're going to go ahead and connect that point to your lower lash line. Then you're just going to fill it in. I didn't show this, but go ahead and add liner to your waterline, add lashes, and you're done.
Call me when you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on the way.
Since I'm just chilling here baking, let's try that out. Okay, so liner, lash glue, lashes. You just draw a straight line from the outer corner up like a wing, like so. We're gonna take our lash and like connect. Like that. This feels so wrong. Well, she's stuck. Now I just fill in this blank space. Okay, what? Okay, this wing looks snatched like cat eyes. Hello.
I might just hit it through a horn, that's on my element. I like dark skin, love a melanin, talk, pushing me the tone. When I'm stepping in, 30 bottles of the food till I'm sentiment. I had to live.
My mind is freaking blown. Here I am buying all these different colored eyeliners. Did you know you can make your own? All the makeup artists on this app are probably like, yeah, no duh, Erin, but I didn't know that. This lovely lady, Tiana Marie, I'm gonna tag her below. She gave us the tea, okay? You can make colored liners out of any eyeshadow you have. All you need is a mixing medium. She has the Inglot one, but I just got the NYX. All you do is add a couple drops of the mixing medium to a shadow and you have a colored liner. Let's try it. I even got a new liner brush for the occasion. Okay, clean this off with alcohol. I'm gonna scrape a little bit of this blue out. I don't know how much it's gonna take, so I'm just gonna put some on the side there. I really don't know if I'm doing this right. Don't yell at me, makeup artists. Here goes nothing. Oh. Seriously? Bitch. Corvette.
Okay, if you have a hooded eye, this is how to do a killer wing liner. It should look something like this when you look straight ahead and something like this when you look down. Start by drawing a really slim line across the entire length of your lash line, as close to your lashes as you can. Continue drawing that line and bring it all the way out, going over that fold that is folding right there. Keep your eye open and looking straight into the mirror When you're drawing your wing part, resist the urge to close your eye at this stage. Keep your eye open and keep drawing out until it's as graphic and bold as you want it to be. Now you can look down and fill in any little gaps that you want to fill in, but do not fill in the unique shape that your eye has created, because otherwise you will lose this.